M&I Autotransport is a specialized vehicle transport solution designed to deliver high-value automobiles with maximum safety, efficiency, and reliability. Engineered for professional logistics operations, this system is optimized for transporting luxury cars, performance vehicles, and fleet assets across long distances. The transport structure features reinforced loading ramps, precision-balanced weight distribution, and advanced securing mechanisms that prevent vehicle movement during transit. M&I Autotransport emphasizes damage-free handling through soft-strap anchoring systems and anti-slip deck surfaces. Its modular design allows operators to configure layouts for single or multi-vehicle loads, improving logistical flexibility. Built with durability in mind, the chassis and frame utilize corrosion-resistant materials suitable for harsh weather conditions. The system integrates seamlessly with modern fleet tracking and route optimization platforms, enabling real-time monitoring and delivery transparency. Overall, M&I Autotransport represents a professional-grade solution for automotive logistics companies seeking reliability, operational efficiency, and premium transport standards. NetCap is an innovative cargo containment and safety solution developed to improve load security in commercial transport and logistics operations. Designed to prevent cargo displacement, falling debris, and accidental spillage, NetCap systems utilize high-strength synthetic fibers engineered for extreme tensile resistance. The structure adapts to various truck beds, trailers, and industrial transport platforms, ensuring universal compatibility across multiple vehicle types. NetCap enhances operational safety by reducing road hazards and protecting both drivers and surrounding traffic. Its lightweight construction minimizes additional payload weight while maintaining exceptional durability under vibration, wind resistance, and dynamic loads. The system is quick to deploy and retract, allowing faster loading and unloading cycles without compromising safety compliance. NetCap is particularly valuable in construction, waste management, agriculture, and bulk material transport industries where unsecured cargo poses significant risks. By combining flexibility, strength, and ease of use, NetCap delivers a cost-effective solution for modern transport safety challenges. The Yeti Snow and Ice Remover is a heavy-duty winter maintenance system engineered for extreme cold weather operations. Designed to efficiently clear snow and ice from roads, runways, and industrial facilities, Yeti combines high-output mechanical power with precision control systems. The unit features reinforced blades and rotary mechanisms constructed from wear-resistant alloys capable of handling compacted ice and deep snow accumulation. Its adjustable clearing angles allow operators to adapt to varying surface conditions and terrain profiles. The Yeti system integrates advanced hydraulic control for smooth, responsive operation even in sub-zero temperatures. Built for municipal, airport, and military applications, it prioritizes reliability and minimal downtime. The robust design reduces maintenance requirements while maximizing operational lifespan. With its ability to restore safe driving conditions rapidly, Yeti plays a critical role in maintaining transportation continuity during severe winter events. The MOBA's folding truck trailer is a space-efficient transport solution designed to maximize operational flexibility in urban and industrial environments. Its innovative folding architecture allows the trailer to collapse into a compact configuration when not in use, significantly reducing storage requirements and operational footprint. Constructed from high-strength steel and lightweight composite materials, the trailer maintains structural integrity while minimizing overall weight. The folding mechanism is engineered for smooth, reliable operation, ensuring quick deployment and retraction without specialized tools. MOBA's trailers are ideal for logistics providers facing space constraints, last-mile delivery challenges, and dynamic cargo demands. The system supports a wide range of payloads while maintaining stability and safety compliance. By optimizing storage efficiency and transport versatility, the MOBA's folding truck trailer offers a practical solution for modern logistics operations, seeking adaptability and cost efficiency. Faymanville FloatMAX is a high-performance modular trailer system developed for transporting ultra-heavy and oversized loads. Engineered for extreme weight capacities, FloatMAX utilizes advanced axle technology and hydraulic suspension systems to distribute loads evenly across multiple contact points. This design minimizes ground pressure and enhances stability during transport. The modular architecture allows operators to configure the trailer for various load dimensions and weight classes, making it suitable for energy, infrastructure, and heavy industry sectors. Precision steering systems enable controlled maneuvering, even in tight or complex environments. FloatMAX is built with durability and safety as core priorities, featuring reinforced frames and fail-safe hydraulic components. Its adaptability and strength make it a preferred solution for transporting turbines, transformers, and large industrial structures. The tandem Centaur is a specialized heavy-haul transport configuration designed for enhanced load balance and operational stability. Featuring a tandem axle arrangement, the system distributes weight efficiently across multiple axles, reducing stress on road surfaces and improving vehicle control. The Centaur platform is engineered for transporting heavy industrial equipment, construction machinery, and oversized components. Advanced suspension systems absorb shocks and vibrations, protecting sensitive cargo during transit. The robust frame construction ensures long-term durability under demanding operational conditions. Tandem Centaur systems are widely used in sectors requiring consistent performance under high load pressures. By combining strength, balance, and precision engineering, the tandem Centaur delivers dependable performance for professional heavy transport operations. Zavco Mobile Workshop is a fully integrated mobile maintenance and repair solution designed for remote and on-site operations. Built on a rugged truck platform, it provides technicians with a complete workspace equipped with tools, power systems, and storage compartments. The interior layout is optimized for efficiency, enabling rapid access to equipment and organized workflow management. Zavco workshops support mechanical repairs, diagnostics, and emergency maintenance in environments where fixed facilities are unavailable. The system includes onboard power generation, compressed air systems, and safety equipment to ensure operational readiness. Designed for industries such as oil and gas, mining, construction, and military logistics, Zavco Mobile Workshop enhances response time and reduces operational downtime. It represents a strategic asset for field-based technical support. The Range Energy eTrailer system is an advanced electrification solution designed to improve efficiency and sustainability in commercial trucking. By integrating electric propulsion and regenerative braking directly into the trailer, the system reduces fuel consumption and emissions without requiring changes to the tractor unit. The eTrailer intelligently assists propulsion during acceleration and uphill driving, while recovering energy during braking and downhill movement. Advanced sensors and control software ensure seamless coordination between trailer and vehicle. The system enhances overall fleet efficiency, extends component lifespan, and supports compliance with environmental regulations. Range Energy eTrailer represents a transitional technology bridging conventional trucking and fully electric transports. The MDTU-20 is a mobile deployable transport unit engineered for rapid logistics support in challenging environments. Designed for military, disaster response, and industrial field operations, it provides a versatile platform for transporting equipment, supplies, or modular systems. The robust construction ensures durability under extreme conditions, including rough terrain and adverse weather. MDTU-20 systems are designed for fast deployment and recovery, minimizing setup time in critical operations. Their modular compatibility allows integration with various payload types. By combining mobility, strength, and adaptability, MDTU-20 enhances operational readiness in time-sensitive missions. Gorilla LED trucks are mobile digital display platforms designed for high-impact visual communication. Equipped with large-scale LED panels, these trucks deliver dynamic content visibility in urban, industrial, and event environments. The LED systems feature high brightness, wide viewing angles, and weather-resistant construction suitable for outdoor use. Content can be updated in real time, enabling flexible advertising, public information, or emergency messaging. Gorilla LED trucks combine mobility with digital technology, allowing messages to reach targeted audiences efficiently. Their robust vehicle platforms ensure stability and reliability during operation. This system is widely used for marketing campaigns, public safety announcements, and live event broadcasting. The V-Series suspension system is an advanced vehicle suspension solution engineered to enhance load stability, ride comfort, and durability under demanding operational conditions. Designed for heavy-duty trucks, trailers, and specialized transport vehicles, the system utilizes precision-engineered components to distribute dynamic loads evenly across axles. Its adaptive suspension geometry reduces vibration, minimizes structural stress, and improves tire lifespan, even when operating under maximum payload conditions. The V-Series integrates high-strength materials and corrosion-resistant coatings to ensure long-term performance in harsh environments. By improving vehicle control and reducing maintenance requirements, the V-Series suspension system enhances overall fleet efficiency. It is particularly suited for logistics, construction, and industrial transport applications where reliability and safety are critical. The system reflects a modern approach to suspension engineering, balancing performance, durability, and operational cost control. The Krone Lift Axle is a smart axle management solution designed to optimize vehicle efficiency and reduce operational costs. By allowing operators to lift unused axles during partial loads or empty runs, the system significantly reduces rolling resistance and tire wear. This results in improved fuel efficiency and extended component life. The Krone Lift Axle is engineered with robust pneumatic and hydraulic controls that ensure smooth, reliable operation under varying load conditions. Its integration with vehicle control systems enables automated axle lifting based on real-time weight distribution. The design also enhances maneuverability in tight spaces by reducing turning radius. Widely used in commercial freight and logistics operations, the Krone Lift Axle contributes to sustainability goals by lowering fuel consumption and emissions while maintaining compliance with road regulations. Super Sky is a specialized heavy load support and sliding system designed for transporting oversized industrial components. Engineered to reduce friction and surface stress, the system allows massive loads to be moved safely across prepared surfaces. Super Sky utilizes reinforced sliding pads and high-durability materials capable of supporting extreme weight levels without deformation. The design enables controlled movement, minimizing risk during positioning and transfer operations. Commonly used in shipyards, construction sites, and industrial assembly zones, Super Sky enhances efficiency in heavy load handling. Its modular structure allows customization to specific load dimensions and operational requirements. By simplifying the movement of massive structures, Super Sky provides a reliable and cost-effective solution for complex transport and installation challenges. The Harsh HHH-26 hook loader is a heavy-duty material handling system designed for efficient container lifting, transport, and placement. Engineered for demanding industrial and municipal operations, the HH-26 offers high lifting capacity combined with precise control. The hydraulic system delivers smooth, powerful performance while ensuring operator safety. Reinforced structural components enable reliable operation under repeated high-stress cycles. The hook loader supports a wide range of containers, making it suitable for waste management, construction, and logistics applications. Its durability and operational versatility reduce fleet complexity by enabling a single vehicle to perform multiple transport roles. The Harsh HH-26 hook loader represents a robust, productivity-focused solution for modern material handling needs. The TL60 is a versatile industrial lifting and positioning system designed for heavy equipment handling and maintenance operations. Built for precision and strength, the TL60 supports controlled lifting, alignment, and installation of large mechanical components. Its structural design emphasizes stability and safety, ensuring consistent performance under high-load conditions. The system is commonly used in manufacturing facilities, energy plants, and infrastructure projects where accurate positioning is essential. The TL60 reduces reliance on multiple lifting devices, streamlining workflow and improving operational efficiency. With its robust construction and adaptable configuration, the TL60 provides a dependable solution for complex lifting challenges. The blade truck-mounted attenuator is a critical roadway safety system designed to protect road workers and motorists in active work zones. Mounted on maintenance or service trucks, the attenuator absorbs and dissipates impact energy during rear-end collisions. Its engineered deformation zones reduce collision severity and minimize secondary impacts. The blade system is designed for rapid deployment and easy integration with standard service vehicles. Built to meet strict safety standards, it enhances visibility and safety compliance in high-risk traffic environments. The blade truck-mounted attenuator plays a vital role in improving road safety during construction, maintenance, and emergency response operations. Solar on Top is a vehicle-integrated solar energy system designed to supplement onboard power requirements in commercial transport applications. Installed on truck or trailer roofs, the system captures solar energy to power auxiliary systems such as refrigeration units, lighting, and telematics equipment. By reducing reliance on engine-driven generators, Solar on Top lowers fuel consumption and emissions. The system utilizes high-efficiency solar panels engineered for durability under vibration, weather exposure, and long-term use. Solar on Top supports sustainability initiatives while enhancing energy independence for mobile operations. It represents a practical step toward greener logistics without compromising operational reliability. Hadrian X is an autonomous construction system designed to revolutionize bricklaying and structural assembly processes. Utilizing robotic precision, the system can place bricks at high speed with exceptional accuracy, significantly reducing construction time and labor requirements. Hadrian X integrates advanced sensors, software, and material handling mechanisms to adapt to complex building designs. Its automation capabilities enhance consistency and structural quality while minimizing waste. Designed for large-scale construction projects, Hadrian X addresses labor shortages and productivity challenges in the construction industry. The system represents a major advancement in automated building technology. The HeatTech Lift is a specialized lifting and handling system designed for precision operations in industrial and logistics environments. Engineered for safety and reliability, the system supports controlled lifting and positioning of heavy components. Its robust construction and advanced control mechanisms ensure stable operation under varying load conditions. HeatTech lift systems are commonly used in manufacturing, maintenance, and warehouse applications. The design emphasizes ease of operation, reducing training requirements and improving workplace safety. By delivering consistent lifting performance, HeatTech Lift enhances productivity and operational efficiency. The FAS rear platform is a multifunctional rear-mounted access and loading solution designed for commercial and service vehicles. Engineered for durability and safety, the platform provides stable access for personnel and equipment during loading, unloading, and maintenance operations. Its reinforced structure supports heavy loads while maintaining a compact vehicle-integrated design. The FAS rear platform enhances operational efficiency by simplifying rear vehicle access and improving workflow. Commonly used in logistics, utility, and service fleets, it supports safer and more ergonomic operations. The system reflects a practical approach to vehicle-mounted access solutions in professional transport environments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.